But as we go into winter now, and I think these are going to be probably the most difficult months that many will have seen for a generation, what's the one thing that you think we should all be doing to make those sort of dark days ahead of us a little better for everybody? What's the one small thing that everybody could do that would make the biggest difference in how we progress through this next phase of the pandemic?
That's a very big question, and I'm not sure the one thing we could do. I think, first of all, not be depressed by it, recognize that it's an opportunity, and seek that opportunity, those opportunities that are there for us. They will be different for us in different circumstances, but recognize this is an opportunity now to grow and to explore in new directions that we haven't taken before.